Hey guys, and welcome back to Looky Loose. Today I have got 15 unique and original clips of dumb and stupid and funny drivers to look at. Jump in, buckle up, get ready, and come with me as I react to these live. Let's check it out. So our first one here is an old man pushing a car out of a parking space. Is he trying to steal this car, do you think? I reckon it's more likely he's trying to steal his spot. But I mean, who leaves their car handbrake off? And it's open as well. He opened the door. He's not going to be able to turn the wheel without the keys though, right? Then we can turn the... So he must have the keys. Is he stealing a parking space? What? He's getting in. Oh! Maybe he's just really bad at reversing. Oh, maybe reverse is broken. Big red truck. Big rock. Has he not realized this guy has to be high or drunk? I correct myself. He's still going. He's still going! He has to be high and drunk and stupid. He's still going! He just crashed into a giant boulder and he's just driving across the forecourt. He gets out. And he looks confused. I just can't imagine what's going through his head. Oh, wow. Oh, that is a crushed car. Oh, it's going through the shop. Jesus, they're lucky they got out the way in time. Holy cockerel. Sir, you can't park there. Is there someone in that car? Just plowing through the store. They're opening the door. Oh no, I don't think there is. So someone left it in gear, I suspect. Oh, these are awesome. These are awesome. Tow driver versus resisting owner. He's really determined to get it off there. Right, what's going to happen here? Guy's driving along, got his hazard lights on, he's slowing down. Oh, this is going to be a road rage incident. What are you doing? What are you doing? What the hell? Oh, I think he was trying to reverse into his driveway. Do you not check your mirrors before reversing? This guy looks annoyed, but it's his fault. You're the dumbass, sir. Apparently the driver in the car that got hit honked as well. Just... Dude. Oh, this has got disaster written all over it. There's a very poorly attached car to the back of a car transporter. Oh! He's like, hello, sir. Can I just put this car in your boot? Ah, we have lowered cars. The arch nemesis of lowered cars. The curb. Yep, front bumper's already off. It was off to start with. This is what we describe as going from bad to worse. Yeah, we'll just take the bumper off. Imagine having a car that every time you want to get on your driveway, you have to take the bumper off. But it's okay that the back one removes itself. Ooh. Ooh. And the driver's driving off with him on top of the car. Oh, God. Excuse me, sir. Oh, I don't even know where to start with that one. Okay, this guy's doing a U-turn in the middle of a junction. That guy fell out of the car. Remember at the beginning of the video when I said buckle up? That's a visual demonstration of why you should buckle up. That was ridiculous. Barriers. Right, who's getting bonked on the head? Oh, they're reversing. Oh, the door got caught. Oh, no, and their legs caught in the wheel and the door. Oh, and they're caught on the seatbelt. Oh, dear. I think that was a husband trying to avoid a divorce. If I can just have an accident. Out of everything I was expecting to happen, that wasn't it. I don't think there's a driver in there. Someone left the bin truck with the handbrake off. Whoa! And they're going back to the lane they started with. What are they? Oh, they got beef with the red car. White car versus the red car. That's what's going on there. Okay, so we got an old man on a lawnmower trying to drive it onto a truck. He's going through the back window. Calling it now. I got a 5 on. He goes through the back window. Oh, no. He got mounted by the lawnmower. Lawnmower's like, I'm going to sit on you. How do you like it? Right, that car's already got a big dent in the front of it. Yep, now it's got another one. What? Why is he ramming the hedge? Someone in the comments, please let me know. Give me some sort of explanation as to what's going on here. I can't even explain that by him being drunk. Right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed those. If you had your seatbelts on, you would have made it to the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.